All right, so we're continuing with our second lesson, learning about measures of central tendency. So we learned about median and mode, and today we're going to learn about the mean. The range isn't actually one of the measures, but we're going to learn about range as well. So when we found the mode and the median, we had to put the numbers in order from least to greatest. For the mean and the range, you don't have to do that. So you don't have to put in order. It doesn't hurt, but it's just not necessary. Usually you do all three at the same time, so you would put them in order and then you would find all of these. But I broke the lesson up so that it just wasn't so much work all at once. So for the mean and the range, you don't have to do that. You can, but you don't have to. So what is the mean? The mean is what we typically refer to as the average. And to find the average, to find the mean, you simply add up all the numbers and then divide by the total amount of numbers in the set. Add all the numbers and divide by the amount of numbers in the set. So you add them up and then you divide. Most of you have been calculating the average or the mean for a few years now, so you know how to do it. If you add up 5 different numbers, then you would divide by 5. If you add up 12 different numbers, you would divide by 12. And then the range is simply the difference between the largest number and the smallest number in the set. So you subtract them. The difference between the largest and smallest numbers. And difference means you are subtracting, right? So subtract. That's it for our notes. We're going to go through 2 examples and then you'll take your exit ticket.